It kills the bacteria. Once it dies, you go back to normalcy. Look, your veins become young again. That's why when you take transfer factor, you become younger by 15 to 20 years, arterially speaking.
I was diagnosed with diabetes, and I have a hypertension, 220 over 120. My doctor told me that I am a walking time bomb already. Aside from that, I have also diagnosed with angina pectoris. That's another form of disease, heart disease. Well, first I took 2 capsules of transfer factor in the morning, 2 capsules in the afternoon, and another 2 capsules in the evening. Then after using that for almost a week, I have noticed a great changes in my physical condition.
That time, I was sick already. I was diagnosed having with ovarian cancer, stage 2. So, after that po, kinakailangan ko rin pong operahan. Naoperahan po ako ng October 2007, and yung pong aking oncologist, sabi po niya, kinakailangan ko pong magpa-chemotherapy. November 28 po, 2007, dinala po nila ako sa For Life. Marami po akong nakausap ng mga tao doon, katulad ko rin pong may sakit na gumaling because of taking transfer factor. So, naging interesado po ako kasi sabi ko, hindi na ako magpapa-chemotherapy dahil hirap na hirap po ako noon eh. So, nag-decide na po ako. Kaya, nung time na in-invite po nila ako noong November 28, pag-uwi ko po ng bahay, I purchased transfer factor already. So, I start taking transfer factor November 28. And na-amaze po ako dahil 3 days lang po na ginagamit ko or iniinom po yung transfer factor, nagkaroon po talaga ng sudden changes talaga dun sa aking katawan. Kasi yung aking dating hindi ako makatayo, hindi ako makalakad, unti-unti pong nawawala yun. Pati yung pananakit ng aking hip bone, yung pananakit ng aking mga joints, yung aking mga tuhod. Na-amaze po talaga ako kasi totally on my first week taking transfer factor, nakaramdam po ako talaga ng sudden changes dun sa aking katawan. So natutuwa po ako dahil meron pa po palang produktong katulad nito na pwede pa po palang mabago yung ating health problems na kinakaharap sa kasalukuyan.
I learned about For Life nung minsan meron na akong health challenge and ini-ignore ko lang kasi I'm afraid, takot ako. Sabi ng aking doctor, I have a hyperthyroidism, which is, ang sabi ng mga doctor, is a graveyard disease. And nakuha ko yan because of my stressful na mga ginagawa. So, sabi ko, nakakatakot pala ito kasi isang araw babagsak ka na lang. So, nagdadasal ako, ay, paano ko kaya ito ma-resolve yung sickness ko? But then, marami na akong naramdaman kasi alam ko na meron akong, may mga lymph nodes na tumubo sa likod ko and meron akong breast na may bukol. So, cyst. Siguro, sabi ng doctor, that is mga 2 months, parang papunta pa lang sa stage 2 or what. So, marami. So, until such time, nga na-meet ko nga yung kaibigan ko na from the States. So, sabi ko, sige, kung totoo yan, nag-refer pa ako ng ibang tao bago ako uminom. So, yung mga taong ni-refer ko, nakita kong umayos sila. And then, ako na lang, uminom na lang ako. That was year 2005. That was the time na confident na ako kasi nakakapagpahinga na ako. Nakakatulog na ako ng maayos. Kasi ang isang hyperthyroid, alam mo ba, na hindi ka nagugutom, kung pwede lang hindi ka matulog. Kasi ginagawa ko yan 48 hours hindi ako natutulog, kaya ko. It changed me kasi lumakas talaga yung aking sistema. Kung saan, yung trabaho ko, mas mabilis na. So, nawala yung agam-agam ko. Kasi on that 3 weeks time, yung pakiramdam ko I get, it lightens myself and my life. And alam ko na hahaba pa buhay ko.
At first, I'm very skeptical. I was skeptical about it because as a doctor, alam nyo na kung ano na naman niyang ibibigay sa akin na yan. Ano? Sabi ng aking kaibigan, you try it. Doktor sa amin, sa dentist sa aming clinic, sabi, Comadre, you try it. Sabi kasi nakahusay sa akin, nakagaling sa akin. Sabi ko, nako, ayoko niyan. So, inisnab ko yun ng primero, no? Ngayon, nung hindi na ako makagulapay sa pain, kasi ang aking vertebral column, yung lumbar, 5th and 4th lumbar vertebrae, nag-degenerate. So, naipit yung ugat ko. So, I was in pain, excruciating pain, may sciatica and spondylitis. And sabi ng doktor sa akin, kung hindi maalis ang NSAIDs, no, yung mga steroids, antibiotics, lahat yon, including yung pampatulog na dahil hindi na ako makatulog, ay operahan kita. Sabi gano'n, nako, sabi ko, imagine sa spinal cord dyan, no? Baka ako hindi na lalo, maparalyze na ako. And with the 8 operations I had, I'm a survivor, cancer survivor, breast cancer and uterine cancer. At marami akong sakit. May diabetes ako at meron akong hypertension na 3-drug therapy, no? Ngayon, nung napilitan akong inumin ng transfer factor because of desperation, talagang hindi na ako makapag-clinic. Nako, sabi ko, ano na ba itong buhay kong ito? I-wheelchair na ba ako? So, noong inumin ko, siyam agad. Dahil ang binigay sa akin, siyam ang instruction, take 3 capsules in the morning in an empty stomach, sa tanghali at sa gabi. Out of desperation nga, sabi nila, walang overdose kasi milk naman yan, colostrum yan. Ininom ko lahat. And then I wrote a letter, sabi ko, Dear June, yung aking asawa, ang ininom ko transfer factor. Sisihin mo ang for life. Kasi kung ano man ang mangyayari sa akin. So, but the next day, nakabangon ako, still with pain. Pero nabawasan. And I was able to go down from the 3rd floor where I have my house. And then, pumunta ako sa clinic. Dati nakaganyan ako para akong laging isang position lang. Ngayon, nakakaikot na ako sa clinic. Sabi ko, tawagin mo yung ano na yan, yung nagkukuha niyan, yung mga nagbibigay niyang transfer factor na yun. At gusto ko ituloy. So, I took it since then. Primero, mega dose. Tapos, sumunod, in-reduce ko dose. Ngayon, 1 capsule na lang in the morning, in the evening. Talaga pala, ang immune system ko lumakas. Yung lahat naman kasi ng condition sa katawan natin na meron talagang inflammation, talagang magaling siya. Talagang, pati diabetes ko na-control, pati hypertension ko na-control, 110/70. Tapos ang aking is only 8. So sabi ko, talagang itutuloy ko ito. And I will recommend it to all my patients. And I even really want doctors, talagang, nila ito, subukan as an adjuvant therapy. Hindi mo naman hihinto yung ibang gamot Adjuvant therapy sa mga iniinom na gamot. And nako, talagang magaling.
Health is wealth, and the transfer factor may very well be a precious gem in your own treasure trove of wellness.
For many years, research scientists have been searching for ways to educate and to vitalize the natural defensive system in our bodies called the immune system. Never has this quest been more important than now. It is accepted that we are losing the war against infectious disease. Many medical scientists and practitioners have resigned themselves to the fact that it is not if, but when the next worldwide pandemic strikes, for which we will have no protection. Because our ability to produce more powerful antibiotics and antivirals is being overtaken by the speed which the germs that threaten us have demonstrated in producing new and ever more lethal strains. Around the world, literally billions have been spent on the research and treatment of cancer. Yet the death rate hasn't significantly